Well, see if it's worth it. I mean, the only thing we can do is try, and what's up with that? That's not a good sign. So I got this from Walmart. It's only like $100, so I wanted to help organize everything I got here because it's been kind of a little bit busy. So I got one of these. Let's figure out if this thing's worth or not. Smaller than I thought. I guess everything's so that one works. And there's something wrong with this second one. All right, so I've been playing around with this for a little bit, and it looks like it's just broken. All right, let's continue to put it together. All right. God, this thing's kind of noticing the bearings probably came out of this thing. Well, at least that works. Yep, another bearing came out. All right. I put the panel on the back. All right, now I flip this upside down. All right, so I screwed one there, there, and there. I don't know if they want you to try to do it sideways, but going straight up and down is so much easier, but this one's bent on purpose. Ridiculous. If you have a toolbox, I assume that you got something like that, and that's the easiest way so far. These things can bend, so I just put the drawer back in, and there we go. The crappiest thing I think I've ever seen in my life, but it's just this bottom drawer that kind of sucks, but it will do. Well, at least I was able to organize this a little bit. I just threw a bunch of stuff in here, in the drawers. Not too much stuff. Got some stuff in here. Which is neat, I can close that up. Top drawer, I got some of those. This one I just put in a couple things. And there we go. All right, with that over there, I'm going to put this 5-tier shelf up. These okay, so at the end, this is what I got, and I'm pretty happy with it. What do you think? Leave me some comments down below. Would you get something like this or not?